Okay, students. Okay, we are going to start our lesson today. How are you? How are you?
I
Please
am fine,
open your mic.
sir.
I am
Sir,
fine.
Okay, okay, open your mic. Nah, how are you today?
I'm good, sir. I am,
Okay.
sir. Good, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Are you ready to study?
Yes. Ready.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now, before we start our lesson, I want the class leader, Vanisha, please lead us to pray.
Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Pray begin. Pray finish.
Okay. Thank you, Vanisha. Now, um, how many students we have? We have already, yeah, 17. Okay, we will start. Yeah. Uh, yes. I want to see the share screen that what we are going to learn today. Yeah. You see my screen? Open your mic. Do you see the screen? Before that,
Yes, sir.
okay. Before that, I want you to, yeah. Before we start the lessons, I want you to stand up. Stand up. You can stand up because we are going to have a kind of, yeah, to make our have spirit. To be praised in learning. Yeah. You have to stand up. I'm going to see to give you. You follow the video, the dance in the video. Yeah. Don't forget to turn on your mic. Video. Yeah. Turn on. Turn on the video. We are going to dance. Follow the animal dance. Are you ready? Open your mic. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Follow, follow the move. Yeah.
Jumpy dog, silly jolly frog, dance till the frog now stop.
Hippo time. Do the hippo now stop.
Can for the
Stop.
your hand like this.
Silly jolly hippo dance. Do the hippo now stop.
Again. Shake your body, move your body. Everybody dance around. Come on and dance to the beat. Horse talk. The horse, do the horse now stop. Do the horse now stop. Gallop, 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 silly jolly horse. Dance to the horse, now stop. Shake your body, move your body. Everybody dance around, dance around.
Okay. Okay. So, are you happy to listen that song? You happy? Panisha, do you happy? Do you like the song?
Yeah, I like it.
Jessica, do you like the song? Yeah. Well,
Yes.
students, from the song, do you got the what is the title of the song? Do you got the what is the lyric of the song? When you hear, it's about what? Hmm? Tentang apa tadi? Menyebut what they mention, apa yang disebutkan. Hmm? Oh, wait. Jadi video tadi itu tentang apa anak-anak? Yang liriknya itu ada yang menyebutkan apa coba? Open mic.
Goyangkan pinggulmu.
Ya, goyang pinggulmu. Menirukan gerakan apa itu tadi? Hah?
Kata
Gerakan
What? Yeah, what is katak in English?
frog.
animals.
Okay, frog. Yeah, animals. Because we are going today to discuss about animal. Ya. Jadi kita hari ini akan berbicara tentang animals. Atau apa? Animals apa? What is animals in bahasa?
Hewan.
Binatang.
Iya, hewan, binatang, ya. Jadi don't forget students, ya. We are going to discuss about animals. Jadi nanti during the lesson I'm going activity your keaktifanmu during the class, ya. So make sure you are active in the class. When your teacher asks questions, you have to answer it. Try to answer it in English, yeah. No matter it's 1 or 2 or 3 words, it's okay. Sir, what is? It's okay. Yeah. Now I want you to, before we go to our core activity today, I'm going to present this. Yeah, this one. Do you see the screen? Do you
Yes.
see the
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah, we are going to talk about descriptive text describing animals. Yeah. Can you help me to learn the objective of our learning activity today? I'm going to ask one of you who can read number 1 learning objective. Please, you can raise your hand. Siapa? I'm going to ask Belpa. Please read the first sentence, Belpa.
One, find out at least 5 adjectives in the description text.
Okay, good. Second, I want Jessica. Please read the second sentence. Jessica.
Find out at least 5 verbs in the descriptive text.
Yeah, find out at least 5 verbs in the descriptive text. And the next is I need to see the next will be David. Number 3, David.
Complete in the sentence. Apa?
Alright. Come on, David. Complete the sentences.
Complete the sentences of the
Descriptive.
text.
Yeah, good, David. Next, I want Vanisha. Number 4.
4. Identify the text structure and language feature of descriptive.
Text. Yeah. Number 5 will be Vincent.
Surprise. Arrange the jumbled sentence about animals.
Yeah. Arrange the jumble sentence about animals. So, this is the learning objective atau tujuan pembelajaran that we are going to achieve today. Yeah. The first, find out at least 5 adjective. Ya. Jadi nanti menemukan 5 kata sifat. Find out at least 5 verbs. Complete the sentences, ya. Identify, kemudian arrange the jumble sentence. And then the next, after the learning objective, what we are going to do? Yeah. Tira, can you please read number 1, Tira?
Make a group
Okay.
of 5. Each group consists of 5 students.
Oke, good. Jadi nanti kita akan membuat kelompok 5 kelompok yang terdiri dari 5 murid ya. There will be about 25, but yeah, 25 students, but it's okay. We have about 19 students. Number 2, can you please read number 2, Sela? What we are going to do?
Observe picture.
Yeah, observe picture. Number 3, Ricky Wijaya Kusuma. Can you number 3 read? Number 3, Ricky.
Read the text carefully.
Yeah, read the text carefully. Next, Livia. Number 4, Livia.
Complete the text.
Yeah, complete the task. And then the next is Evandra. Number 5.
Arrange the jumbled sentences.
Yeah, arrange the jumbled sentences. Yeah, this is what we are going to do today during the lesson. Next, please look at the picture. I'm going to show you the picture. Yeah, are you ready? Does anybody know what picture is it? Open your mic to answer. Chicken. Yeah, this is yeah, chicken. Yeah, good. This is chicken. How does it look like? I give you example. It is small. According to you, how does it look like?
It looks
I say
colorful.
it is small. Okay, it's colorful. What else? Panisha say it is colorful. This is correct. It has many colors. Red, black, yeah, orange. Ah. What else? What else? Any other students want to answer? Belpa?
It is more short.
It is short. Yes, correct. It is short. It's not. It is short. Yeah, not tall. Short. What else? Yo, come on. Yeah, what is it? What is your? How does it look? Look. Okay. What picture is it? It's correct. You answer. It is chicken. It's a chicken. How does it look? It is small. Then Panisha answer. It is what? Tadi Panisha, what did Panisha say? This is still
Colorful.
yeah, colorful. Yeah, colorful. What did Belpa say? Any others still remember? Jessica? What did Belpa say? Hmm? Helen, Epandra. It is not tall. Not tall. What is not tall? The antonym of not tall. The antonym of the synonym of not tall. Yeah, the antonym is tall. What is the antonym of tall?
Short.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Panisha. So that is we describe chicken. Yeah, it is small, it is colorful, it is short, it is not tall. That is how we describe animal. For this one is chicken. We try to describe chicken. Ya, jadi kita mendeskripsikan gambar atau mendeskripsikan binatang yaitu ayam, ya, berdasarkan based on the picture. Yeah. So this is the part of a chicken. What do they have? Helen, part of chicken. Can you see the picture?
Yeah, I see.
What part of chicken? Can you mention one part of the chicken there?
I
Okay, good. I. Wait, Ella. Hello, Ella. What do you see about the part of the chicken?
back.
Bear. Okay, good. Bear. And then what else? What else? Still Ella. What else? How about Ian? What else you see? Bear. Yeah, bear. You can turn on your mic or you can raise your hand to answer the question. Yeah, it's okay. Just turn on your mic. You have to speak. Try to speak because it's already written there, and you read it. Read the words loudly. Yeah. Baca nyaring katanya. Like already mentioned by Ella and your friends before. What else? What do the chicken have? What do the chicken has? Tira, can you open your mic and answer my question, Tira? Don't be shy, yeah? Just talk, just talk. It's okay. Don't be shy. You have to speak, yeah? Tira, or any other one to talk? What do you say about the picture? Hmm? Alec, Alec, I still cannot hear your voice. Alec, are you there? Hello, Alec. Okay, that is the parts of the chicken body, yeah? It's like your friend said, eye, they. Yeah? You can observe the picture. It has wing. Yeah? It also have tail, yeah? Breast. What else? What is special about the chicken? What the chicken have? The others animals
Leg,
do not have. What? Yeah, back.
face,
Yeah, back.
face,
Breast. Yeah, yeah. Thank you, David. What else, David? What chicken have on the head? Yeah. You see that, David? Or any other? Do you see the picture? What chicken have on the head? It is very special things that the chicken have, especially male chicken. What is it?
Comb.
Yeah, come.
Yeah,
Thank you,
come.
Panisha.
Thank you, Vanisha.
Okay, let's continue. Yeah, let's continue and on another presentations. Okay, yeah, this is the picture show. Still, we're talking about animals, chicken. Yeah. Wait. Please see the screen. Can you read the word? Can you see the words, the sentences? Can you read that? Enggak?
Yes, sir.
Okay, jelas. Thank you. Now, I want you, who's gonna be the first to read the first sentence? Your hand, raise your. Who's going to read the first sentence? The first sentence? Kata we are going to read this sentence about chicken.
Sentence about chicken.
Uh, please read the first
History verse.
try. Okay,
Try.
go
Okay.
ahead,
Go
Panisa,
ahead, Vanessa.
please.
Please.
Chicken are domestic or farm bird. They live about 10 to
Okay.
15 years.
Okay.
The male is big and the color is so bright compared to the female. This is common feature in bird. The males show their colorful feather to
Mouse.
attract the
Mouse.
females.
Okay, thank you, Panisha. Now, who's going to read the second paragraph? It will be okay if you can read only one sentence. The first paragraph is done by Panisha. Now we continue to the second paragraph. It will be okay if you can read only one sentence. One sentence itu satu kalimat sampai pada titik, ya, until the full stop. Ya. I'm going to ask. If you not raise your hand, then I'm going to ask you. I'm going to select you. Belpa, can you please open your mic, Belpa? Do you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, good. Belpa, can you please Read the second paragraph. The second paragraph, the first sentence.
Okay. A chicken has a comb on the head and two wattles under the neck. The male has larger combs compared to the female. It has two small eyes to see on the both sides.
Okay, stop there. Actually, you already read how many sentences that you read, Belpa?
Oh, I think it's
One.
three.
Yeah, three, correct. Yeah, you read three. But thank you, Belpa.
Yes.
And then, okay, you can turn up your mic, Belpa. Who's gonna be the next? Continue after Belpa. Who's gonna be the next? Don't forget, I'm going to give score for your active in the class. Yeah. Who's gonna be? Ella, would you like to read the next? Ella? Would you like to read? Continue after what have read by Belpa. You continue to the fourth sentence. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Yeah, continue to the fourth. Ella. Go ahead. Or we can. Ferry Gunawan, are you there? Ferry Gunawan, are you there? Okay. If not, who's gonna be help me to read? Who's want to help me to read the text? Epandra, open your mic. Yeah, Epandra. You can continue to 1, 2, 3. Chicken. You can start with a chicken. A chicken has back. Yeah. Start, Epandra. Okay, if not, you can follow me, yeah? You can follow after me. You can open all of your students, open your mic, yeah? Open your mic, yeah, mic can be open. Yeah, follow after me.
Yeah.
Oh, no problem. A chicken has like 2 feet.
A chicken has big two.
Read all further.
A chicken has big two feet.
Yeah. Sometimes it's difficult to hard to see. Okay, I think so noisy, yeah? Okay, turn off the mic, turn off the mic. Yeah, okay. I will ask, yeah, Panisha, can you please finish the text, Panisha?
Sometimes it uses claws to hunt for food. Chicken eat worms, insects, seeds, grains, snails, slugs, fruits, vegetables, and many other foods. Chicken also have tail and wings like bird, but it cannot fly high.
Okay, thank you, Panisha. Okay, students, what we are, as I already mentioned it to you, we are going to observe in this text adjective and verb. Jadi kita akan mencari tahu adjective. Do you know what adjective?
Kata keterangan.
Kata keterangan. Yang lain? Kalau verb, what is verb?
Kata kerja.
Kata kerja. Okay, adjective is to give explanations about conditions of noun. Jadi menjelaskan kata benda ya. Jadi itu give explanations about noun, the condition ya. For example, to find adjective ya, to find adjective, for example, how does the chicken look? It's short. The word short, it is adjective ya. Kata short itu adalah kata sifat. Jadi tadi Panisha tuh hampir benar. Jadi adjective itu adalah kata sifat. Hanya sedikit lagi ya. Benar dia menerangkan. Cuma kata keterangan yang itu lebih kepada menerangkan benda ya. Dia menerangkan to explain about the conditions of noun. Ya. Jadi adjective itu to explain the conditions of noun. Like short. Lalu salah one karakteristik of adjective ya, dia memiliki antonim or it has lawan kata. Short, for instance, short. What is the antonym of short? Come on.
Tall.
Ya, tall and short itu adalah adjective. That is adjective. Jadi, so you have to remember that adjective characteristic has antonym. Yeah? It has antonym. Short, antonym of short is tall. What else? What else that have antonym? Ayo, what else? Selain short, it has short antonym. Short is tall. What another? Can you give another adjective? One adjective.
Big.
Together. Yeah, big. Thank you, Vanessa. Big. What is the antonym of big?
Small.
Small. Perry, do you agree? Perry, open your mic. Perry Gunawan, open your mic. Yeah. Do you agree with Panisha that big is adjective? Do you agree? Kamu setuju dengan Panisha? Do you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. What is antonym of big, Perry? Or any other students want to answer? What is the antonym of big? Like what Panisha said, if you agree. Antonim dari big itu apa?
Small.
Iya, thank you. Small. That is the adjective. Nah, now verb. Verb tadi, what is verb?
Kata kerja.
Kata kerja. Ya, verb is kata kerja. Or in English, it is showing activity. Ya, kata kerja itu menunjukkan suatu kegiatan. Ya, showing an activity. What activity? Can you give me the example? Verb, activity, verb. What we are to do today? We what? We start. What, Belpa?
Study.
Yeah, study is verb because doing some activity. Doing activity, not did something. Doing activity. Yeah. Doing activity is verb. Yeah. What else? Anybody can help me? Any students, please? I need you to make boys. Kevin, are you there? Yeah, Kevin, open your mic, Kevin. Yeah, can you give me one example of verb? Or do you agree with Belpa that study is verb? Do you agree or not? Do you agree or not? Yes or not, Kevin? Speak up, Kevin. Don't worry. Yeah, Tira, you open your mic. Tira, I see that you open your mic. What is verb? Remember, the verb is doing activity. Activity. The clue is activity. Study. What else besides study? Come on, student. Come on, don't be shy.
Show.
Show. Yeah. It can be. Yeah, this is verb. Show. What else?
Eating termasuk nggak, Pak?
Eating, yeah. But please do not add ing, yeah. Eating, because yeah, this is verb. This is verb, but the use with it will be okay because we need, yeah, eating, yeah. This is verb. Eating.
Kalau fly?
Fly, yeah, fly is verb. What else? Now, based on this text, yeah, please students see the text, see the picture. Do you see the picture? Now, according to the text, I want you to find at least 5 adjective, ya, 5 buah kata sifat, and 5 verb, ya, 5 adjective and 5 verb. I give you 5 minutes, ya. You can write it down in your textbook, ya. Silahkan ditulis di bukunya, ya. 5 buah kata sifat. Please, the other students, you can do you all of the students do this, ya. Semua murid, semua peserta yang di Google Meet ini, tulis di buku catatannya. Please find out 5 adjectives, 5 buah adjectives, and 5 verbs, 5 buah kata kerja. Tadi we already discussed the examples of the verb, and now you have to try to find out based on this text, yeah, 5 adjective and 5 verbs. Any questions? Ada pertanyaan related to this? Open your mic. You can say no or yes. If you know, no. If you yes.
No.
No. Okay. If no, it means clear. Yeah, it means clear. It's okay. You have to open your mic when you say yes or no. It's okay. Do not just doing the body language by using your neck. Saying no. Yeah, you can. I give you 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes to find out the adjectives and 5 verbs. 5 menit. You have 2 more minutes, student. You have 2 minutes.
Sir, teksnya hilang. Jadi
Oh,
hitam-hitam doang.
wait. You can see it now?
No, itu masih
Can you
sama.
see now?
No,
Wait.
Layarnya masih hitam, Pak.
Yeah, wait. I will try to re- How about now? Can you see? Can you see it now?
Yes.
Huh?
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, you can continue. You can continue. I give you additional time, 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute additional time because we have problem. So, students, for who has already done, you can raise hand. Yeah, it is easy for me to know whether you are. You can raise your hand. Yeah, if you already finished your hand, but if you still doing it, yeah. Raise your hand. Yeah, Belva, you already done, but you can use the menu in your Google Meet. Ya, ada menu di sana, raise hand. Nah, you can click that. Yeah, for all of the students, you can click. Yeah, like that. You can click raise hand for. Yeah, yeah. If you already done, yeah, 3 students already. Who else? 4. Yeah, it means that you already finished doing it. Yeah, yeah. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 students. Who else? 6. Now we already have 6 students. 7. Yeah, mostly of you. Yep, very nice. Mostly of you. Yeah, we see. Yeah, yeah. Yes, good, very nice. Please, the time is almost up. The time is almost finished. Don't forget to raise your hand if you already finished. Yeah, we still have about 10 students still not finished yet. Panisha, you done? You finished?
Not yet.
Okay, don't forget to raise your hand, yeah? You already finished. Angelica Christie, finish. Rian, Evandra, Vincent, Ferry, finish. Ferry? Olivia, Angelica Kristania. Jangan ya. Let your still raise the hand. Do not click off. Yeah, do not click off. Still raise your hand. Yeah. Let it on. Do not turn your hand. Yeah, still like the Vincent. Vincent's already finished. Evandra, still no. Evandra, you finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's start. Yeah, the time is finished. Now I'm going to ask you. I'm going to ask you one by one. Later. Uh, now you can take picture of your task. Ya, take picture di foto tugasnya tadi itu. Lalu you can share to my WA, my private WA, not in WA group. Ya. Jadi nanti tugas yang kalian kerjakan itu dikirim ke WA pribadi Bapak. Send it to my. Okay. I give you 2 minutes to. I give you 2 minutes to. Yeah. I give you 2 minutes to share to my WA. Yeah. Taking it. Because I'm going to ask students. Yeah. To print this.
Pak.
Sudah ke Bapak. Ya. Sudah kirim jawabannya. Stephanie. Stephanie already sent the answer.
Yes, sir.
Vanisha is already. Yeah, still waiting for the rest of the students to send to my WA. Yeah. Go ahead. Forget give your name. Yeah. Don't forget to give your name on your worksheet. Yeah, there are. Okay, good. I have now. Belpa, thank you. So already here. Belpa Sakiri. Yeah, still waiting for the rest of the students. Because if you already here, we are going to discuss about your answer. Yeah. There are 1, 2, 3 already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, already 12. Thank you. Already 12 students. Still wait for the rest of the students. Yeah. Yang lain silakan. Don't forget to send your
Yes.
work. Yeah, don't forget to send it to my web. Please do not send it to web, yeah, because it will be seen by other students. You have 1 minute left to send it. You have 1 minute left. Okay, ready? We have number. Thank you. Sudah nambah. It's already. Thank you, Angela and Vincent. Marcella, Clarissa is already here. Marcella, Angela, Cristania already. Okay. You can put down your hand. You can click off your right hand. Yeah, if you already submitted to my WA. Ya, boleh diturunkan tangannya bagi yang sudah mengirim ke WA Bapak. Marcella, Clarissa. Evandra, halo Evandra. Okay, students. Okay, I see now you several of you, most of the students send the task, the result. Now I'm going to ask for students still not. I'm going to ask you. You please answer your question. Yeah, please answer your question. Still related to the activity. Yeah, find the 5 adjectives, 5 verbs. Evandra, can you hear me? Evandra? Evandra. Jadi please remember, you have to answer, you have to find out, yeah, again, the adjective based on the text. Jadi adjektifnya itu sesuai dengan teks yang Bapak kasih itu, ya. You have to find out there, what is adjective, what is the verb. Okay, now I'm going to ask, Evandra, are you there? Perry, are you there? Open your mic, Perry. Perry, open your mic.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Can you please give me 2 adjectives, Perry? can you please give me 2 adjectives based on the text that I showing you now? Perry, based on your answer, you already answered the question ya? Perry, sudah kamu jawab kan Perry?
Belum, Pak.
Nah, can you give me, ya, Perry, can you give me 2 adjectives? 2 buah kata sifat Perry yang dua buah aja, 2 buah saja. Can you give me? Or you can maybe more than 2, it's okay. It will be okay if you can have it 1 adjective. It will be okay, Perry. What is? Speak up, Perry. Speak. See. Perry. I have Ricky Wijaya Kusuma already. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Ricky Wijaya Kusuma, are you there? Open your mic, Ricky. Ricky.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I see your answer here. You sent to my WA, ya, punya Ricky. Big adjective, ya, according to Ricky. Can you answer, Ricky? Can you answer? Can you read your answer, Ricky? Adjective, 5 adjective.
Yeah.
1. What is 1? Adjective.
Baik.
Baik. What else? What? What else? According to answer, berdasarkan jawabanmu yang kamu kirim ke WA Bapak ini. Bacakan saja. You can read it. It's okay. Read it, Ricky. Read.
Okay. Baik. Bright.
Right. It is adjective. Yeah. Again.
Colorful.
What else?
Small.
Yeah. Small. Yeah. Small.
High.
High.
Light.
Yeah. Light. Live. Yeah. Live. Okay. Let's see. Big, bright, colorful, small, high. That's the answer from Ricky. Yeah, it's adjective. Now, can you help me to read the verb? Ricky, the verb.
Okay. Show off. Play. Eat. Collect. Hunt.
Yeah. Show, play, eat, call, hunt. Yeah. According to you remember, verb is related to activity, ya, yang menunjukkan kegiatan. While adjective is explaining the conditions of noun, ya, menjelaskan kondisi sebuah benda. Di sini bendanya atau yang menjadi bendanya adalah binatang. Jadi, ya, kondisi dari keadaan atau kondisi dari si ayam. Si ayamnya besar misalnya. Ya, like that. Yeah, male, bee. Yeah, it's. I'm going to give the score for you. I will send the score after this, and let us continue to our next activity. Ya, kita lanjut ke kegiatan kita selanjutnya. Ya, yeah, I want to. Based on the text, yeah, you can see the first sentence, we call it identification, yeah, and the second paragraph is description. Jadi paragraf pertama itu identification. This is the what is this is the what are identification and description consists of, yeah. This is tells about what is descriptive text about. Apa itu descriptive text, ya? Sini bisa dilihat. You can see in my screen. Ya, description. What is description? A description is a text which describe a particular person's animal, place, or thing. So, jadi selain kita bisa mendeskripsikan ya orang, animal, we can also describe place, person, or things ya. Jadi descriptive itu it's kind of withdraw kita menggambar, but not using color pen, but we using word, the simple of adjective, descriptive text ya. Jadi simpelnya descriptive text itu kita menggambar tetapi menggunakan kata-kata, withdraw using word. That is the very simple explanations of descriptive text. So the structures of descriptive text is identification and description. Ya, jadi terdiri dari atas identifikasi dan deskripsi. What is identification? Ya, identification identifies the animal or things to be described. Ya, jadi we find out first the things, the animal or others that we are going to describe. So description. The next is descriptions. We describe. Kita menggambar, ya, ya, by using words. Remember, by using words. Parts, qualities, bagian-bagiannya, ya, qualitiesnya it can be like using color, like chicken with have, which is have a chicken with which have colorful, something like that, black, orange, red. Yeah, that's the quality and characteristic of the animals. Yeah, what is? Yeah, because we are using what's it? Word. You have to find the characteristic. This is using adjective. Ya, for the characteristic. Ya, karakteristiknya itu kita menggunakan di sinilah we mostly use adjective when we describe describe things or descriptive text. Yeah. For instance, characteristic is it big, it's small, yeah, some things like that. Okay. And then description usually use simple present tense. Jadi di descriptive itu biasanya menggunakan simple present tense. For example, in text chicken uses claws to hunt for food. The second, can you please help me to read the second sentence about simple present tense that used in descriptive text? Belpa, can you help me to read the second?
Yes, I can. Chicken eat worms, insects, and seeds.
Okay, thank you, Belpa. That is the simple present tense, yeah. We are going to be focused to discuss about simple present tense in our meetings for the next meeting, yeah. Because we already discussed about the simple present tense before, yeah. I hope that you will still remember. Chicken is one, yeah, can be replaced by it, and for the verb use, because it then Karena itu subjeknya tunggal, chicken, maka kata kerjanya masih diingatkan ditambah dengan s, ya. We add s. Ya. That's the simple present tense. Okay, let's focus on the descriptive text. Now I want to divide you in a group, ya. Saya akan, Pak Guru akan membagi kalian ke dalam kelompok. How many students we have? Ketua kelas, leader? Ada berapa kita? Di kelas ini, in our class. How many students we have?
Kayaknya 31 deh, Pak.
No, in this Google Meet. 20, there are 20 ya. Ada 20. Ada 20. Oke. Jadi I'm going to divide you in a group. Ya. Please group 1. Panitia help me 5. Ya. We have 20 students here. Ya. Nisa help me to give you group. Ya. Better I will give a group task. Ya. Make sure the group consists of students who are close each other.
Sorry, sir.
Turn off your mic, please.
I can't hear you clearly.
Ya. Halo.
Suaranya nggak jelas, kayak putus-putus.
Wait. I need to. Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you? Jadi, Anisha, please divide our group. Ya, we have 20. Jadi, pastikan grupnya yang kawan-kawan terdekat, ya, yang rumahnya berdekatan. Because you are going to discuss about the text that I'm going to give to you, ya. Ya. Each group consists of 5 students. 5 students. So there will be 4 group. There will be 4 group. Ya. Jadi nanti Panisha you decide group 1 this is the personal, and group 2 the personal this. Group 3 the personnel this. Ya. I'll be wait for you to arrange this group. Yeah, and I will give. You can give the group name. This is the group 1, the group 2, the group 3, and the group 4. Yeah, yeah. I will give you a. I will be waiting for you to give me the name of the group. Yeah, and also if I already got the name, I will share the task to each group. Yeah, I'll send the task to each group after the class, because we have no enough time, because if we arrange the group this time, because you need to identify your students who are close each other. The house is close to one and each other. Okay, next. Ya, jadi nanti grupnya setelah ini ya, Pak Guru tunggu Parisha ya. Jadi nanti kawan-kawannya bisa chat di chat kita ya. Siapa-siapa yang rumahnya berdekatan. Ingat itu each group consists of 5 students. Jadi I will send you the task. The test. Ya. The text of descriptive text. In the descriptive text that you have to remember is that descriptive text is like this, the text. This is the text. I cannot show you clearly because this is still because you still need to arrange your group first. This is the text for group 1, text for group 2, text for group 3, and the text for other group will be the same with other group, ya, because we consist of 4 group, ya. Jadi nanti satu grup akan ada 2 grup mendiskusikan no. I will try to make one order text to, because I already made this for 3 groups. Actually, we have 4 groups actually. Then I will give I will create another text to group 4, ya. Ini untuk group 1, group 2, and group 3. The text is different each group, but the task is the same. The task is like this. Please find out at least 5 adjectives and 5 verbs in the text below, and identify the generic structure, yeah, the generic structures of the text. And if it's identifications, you can show me, yeah, identify the structures of description, yeah. What paragraph is identification? What paragraph is descriptions? You need to write it down, yeah. For the group work, I will, yeah, that is the explanation. I will wait for you to give me the name of the group, ya, Vanessa. Nama-nama kelompoknya nanti Pak Guru tunggu setelah after the Google Meet, ya. Because this is gonna be the kind of homework to do, because this is the group work. Yeah, after you finish the doing the group work, yeah, what you need to do is, yeah, you have to send me via WA, yeah, via WA group, the result of your discussion, and don't forget also to send me the picture when you're working in group, yeah. Take the picture while you are doing the activity, discussing this task, ya. Nanti ketika kalian sedang berdiskusi itu, difotolah, minta tantenya, or ask your mother, ask your auntie to take the picture, ya, while you are working in group. And then after you send me via WA, yeah, the picture, and also the result of your discussions, you can take the picture of it, yeah. Send me. I give you 1 week, and the next week you have to already, all of the groups already submitted the task. Jadi pada minggu depan semua grup itu Pak Guru tunggu, itu paling lambat minggu depan, itu pada hari Senin, ya. Senin Pak Guru tunggu, itu sudah terkumpul semua. Paling lambat Senin jam 8 itu sudah terkumpul semua, ya, tugasnya. Kamu bisa nanti juga Bapak akan kirim LKPD-nya, ya, ke masing-masing kelompok atau tugasnya ke masing-masing. I'm going to send you the task in every personals of the group, ya. Jadi you have material to discuss in your group. You can print out the material and bring to your discuss where you are going to have discussions about the material, about the task given. Yeah, you can go to my to your friend's house that close each other. Yeah, decide where to discuss. You can print out the material, the task, yeah, the task LKPD yang that will be sent to you. Yeah. Any other question? Any questions related to the task, group task? Ada pertanyaan?
Satu kelompok berapa orang, Pak?
One group consists of 5 students. 5, Perry. Got it? Perry? One group consists of 5 students. Is that clear? Yes. 5 murid ya. Any other question related to
No,
the
sir.
no?
No.
Okay. 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 And students, remember, yeah, to do the task, yeah, and don't forget to submit the group task until Monday next week. Yeah, Monday next week at 9 o'clock. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to give you a test. Oh, related to our material today. Do you have any question or comment? Ada pertanyaan? Any question or comment?
Aku ada.
Okay, what is it?
Jadi huge sama big itu kan sama-sama besar ya. Apa bedanya?
That is the synonym. That is the sense. You can use huge, you can be big. Yeah, you can use one of them in a sentence. It's a big animal. Okay, you can replace big with huge. It's a huge animal. It is the same. Yeah. It's depend on you which one you like it most. If you like to use huge, it will be okay. Or you like to use big, it will be okay. Yeah, you can use one of them, but do not use both of them. It a huge big animal that is incorrect. Yeah, but you can select one of the word. Is that clear, Vanessa?
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Any other question?
Sir, saya mau nanya, sir.
Ya,
Kan
please.
awesome sama amazing itu kan artinya sama. Jadi itu kayak bedanya tuh di mana gitu?
Awesome, amazing. Is that adjective or verb? Awesome, amazing.
Kan itu dua-duanya kan sama-sama kata adjektif kan? Jadi bedanya tuh di mana gitu?
Ya, bedanya hanya penyebutan saja. The mention. It's so amazing adventure. It's so awesome adventure. Jadi you can use just like Vanessa, it's but different words, yeah. Just like what Vanessa said, it is the synonym. The synonym. You can which one you like. You can use awesome. You can use amazing. One of them. Yeah? It's an amazing adventure. It's an awesome adventure. You can use which one do you like, yeah?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Any other question?
No.
Okay. If not, can you what you have learned today? I'm going to ask you what we have learned today. Do you remember what we have learned? Apa yang kita pelajari hari ini?
Descriptive text.
Descriptive. Yeah, descriptive text. Do you agree with Panisha, Kira? Descriptive text? Huh? You agree? You still remember
Agree.
what? Yeah, okay, agree ya. Yeah, we're talking about descriptive text. What we describe, apa yang kita deskripsikan? What we describe? Hmm? We describe about person, animal, things, or what?
Adjective.
Adjective.
Verb.
Yeah, adjective is included. Yeah, adjective, we learn about adjective. That's very important when we are talking about descriptive text. We describing about what? What? Is we are is we are describing about person? We describe person just now? No?
No.
We describe things?
We
No.
describe animals.
We describe
If.
animals. Yeah, animals. We can use adjective to describe animals. We can use verb to describe any animals. Yeah. Yeah, this is the following word to describe animal. Yeah, we can, yeah, by seeing the size. Yeah, it's huge. What else? Can you see that? Dari size-nya ya, from the side. It's small. Yeah. We can also see from what is this one. What is? Can you read? I appoint this. What this sentence? The color. Yeah. What else? This one. Can you see this screen? Belpa?
No, I can see it.
You cannot.
Yes.
How about other? Angelica, can you see the screen? Bisa dilihat nggak screen Pak Guru?
Bisa.
Bisa ya. Now, can you please help me to read the words that I give highlight? Ini yang Bapak highlight ini. What?
Body part.
Body part. Yeah, to describe animal. What else? Can you help me to read it? Anisha, help me to read. Yeah.
Read which one?
Body part.
Body part, ear, fur, horn, trunk, nose, neck, fin, feathers.
Jadi, to describe animal, if we describe the body part, habitat can also we use to describe the animal, and also food we can use it to describe the animal. Apa yang dimakan oleh binatang itu, ya. Mulai jadi the following to describe the animal, we can the first, what is size, color, ya, warnanya, ukurannya, ya, body partnya, bagian-bagian tubuhnya, food, something like that. This is also how to make descriptive text animal. Mulai dari, you can read this, ya, the size, the color, the types, ya, like that. Can you see the LKPD? Pak Guru already sent you the task. The task 3. Task 3, ya. I already sent you in our WA group, ya. Task 2. Wait, I need to open. I want to share you this one. Bapak mau share yang ini. You see that? It already sent to you via WA. Sudah Bapak kirim ke WA. Ya. I want you. I want you to do this one, the task 2. Ya.
No.
Wait. This is the task 2. Yeah. You like this example? Yeah. Yeah. The task is like this. Choose one animal you most like to describe. Yeah. Then complete the sentences. You can use these clues below, or you can improvise with your own words. Yeah. That's the one. And then task 2, task 3, rearrange the following sentence into good descriptive text. Nanti kalian menyusun ini ya. Jadi each student have to do this. Jadi setiap murid harus melakukan tugas ini. Nanti dikirim ke Pak Guru melalui WA Bapak ya. Don't forget to send this through WA. I wait you until 12 o'clock. Yeah, I wait you to finish this until 12 o'clock. After the 12 o'clock, it will be closed. Ya, jadi setelah jam 12, there will be no. I will not give you the score. Ya, tidak akan Bapak nilai. Kalau sudah, if you already submitted after 12 o'clock. Ya, ya. Jadi don't forget to finish task 2. And task what? Task 3. Task 2 and task 3. Do you have question related to this activity? Ada pertanyaan?
Sure, itunya kumpulnya hari ini ya?
Iya, today.
Okay.
Sampai jam until 12 o'clock. 12, you know?
Okay.
Jadi after 12 o'clock, I will not give you a score. Yeah, so after this you have to do it. Yeah. Try to submit it on time. Okay. Any other question related to your task? Ada pertanyaan?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, students. If you have no questions, I think we are finished today our learning activity. And for the next meeting, don't forget, we are going to discuss about narrative text. Yeah. If today we discuss about descriptive text, for the next meeting, we are going to discuss about narrative text. Ya. Jadi minggu depan kita akan membahas tentang narrative text, ya. So especially we are going to discuss about narrative text, especially story, something like that. Yeah. We are going to tell about story. So I think I have to stop sharing. I'm going to close the class. Students, thank you for your participation in class. See you on Monday. Yeah, see you on Monday. I will give you the link for our next upcoming meeting ya. Jadi nanti Bapak akan kasih lagi linknya untuk pertemuan kita selanjutnya. Okay, you can say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you.
Bye, sir.
Don't forget to meet in the next meeting. Don't forget the task, yeah?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you may lead.
Teacher.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. See you. Thank you, dear.